Ladies and gentlemen, court will reconvene tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. You're adjourned. You know what the
Hello.
I know. I love you, Brooke. Take care of yourself. I will.
Lily. Hello.
I'll get a big one for you.
Hello.
Can you sign?
Anything else you'd like us to know? Hey, Lily. What was that? Bless you. Bless you.